How's it going, YouTube? Another, instructional, I guess, video, informative, what tools and whatnot to use. It's a 2005 Ford Expedition with the 5.4 four-wheel drive. I had to replace the wheel bearing on it. Basic tools. So there's 4 of these bolts that actually hold the wheel hub on. All these are size 18. There are 2 18 bolts that hold the brake caliper to the whole assembly and whatnot. Bolt here. So there's 18s. This little shindig, it's under, there's a cap that goes here. Pull that off. There is a 13 that holds that on. Then you pretty much, I don't even know what size this is. I just used some vice grips and just twisted it out. But that holds this in. And then these pretty much just snap into place like here, all the way up. Then you're gonna get to up here, which is the unnecessary portion. I had to track this thing down, but you're pretty much gonna take out your cooler overflow tank. It's 2 size 8 bolts. 2 8 bolts hold it right there and right here. Then this little shindig is gonna be under the cooler overflow. Unplug it, and then you're pretty much just gonna pull it out the bottom, and it all just comes out. It's a lot more straightforward than I actually was expecting, so it's not that bad at all. Then the new one I have just comes with as a new ABS sensor on it already, so it's just R&R, remove and replace kind of thing. There's no crazy twists and turns and unexpected things happen. Pretty straightforward. Yep, that's pretty much it. This is one of the easier jobs I didn't expect. But already, take it easy.